Okay, we're on the air. This is the OSRA Scrum for Thursday, May 14th, 2015. Here we have Christian, Gabrielle, and myself. So let's go around the room. Gabrielle, why don't you start us off?
Yeah, well, to be honest, I haven't so much time to do very big progress about the application. I just uploaded some pictures to show how is the view, and I was working on the functionality, also about I think it's the main part is a filter because we need to filter if orphan is eligible or if an orphan can be displayed or not. So basically, I am just in the filter part. I hopefully I will get something maybe as soon as possible. I don't know.
All right.
Mhm.
Robbie, let's go to you.
Oh, hi. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Sorry, I just put a square of chocolate in my mouth.
That's fine. Okay, why don't we go to Christian in the meantime?
Yeah, I'm okay now. I've been working on the new and create aspects of admin users. So I've got that just about ready to go. The only thing I'm waiting for is Nick. I think you've got a pull request that's outstanding on the index stuff on admin users, and I was just wanting to do a rebase on top of that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, sure.
Is it worth me pushing it up ahead, going ahead and pushing it up, or do you want to do that rebase, say tonight?
Yeah, I can rebase it tonight after the Scrum.
Okay, then I'll just hang on, then do a rebase, and then put the pull request on through.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
then after that, I was planning to work on the next one, which is the admin user edit stuff. If no one else has got that.
Actually, sorry, wait a minute, Robbie. I'm looking at my pull request, and it doesn't seem that I need to rebase it. I can just merge. It can be just merged in. Is that what you mean?
Oh, sorry, I need to rebase on top of that.
Oh, okay. So you need me to merge it in, and then you can rebase on top of it.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Yeah.
Got you. Okay. Well, as far as I know, I don't think there's anything if. All right. I see. There was a comment from you, basically.
Oh, yeah, it was just to remove the show
Yeah.
stuff that we decided we wouldn't bother with at the last Scrum.
Right. Okay. So I can take care of that tonight, and it sounds to me like nobody else has any objections. So as soon as I do that, I'll just merge it in.
That'd be great, and then I'll rebase it, push the other stuff on,
Yeah.
and then start working the edit stuff.
Yeah, or maybe you can merge it now and Robbie can add that link because it's related to his.
Yeah, if you like, Nick, I'm happy, if you want me to just
Yeah.
change
Okay.
that
Why,
stuff
why
to
don't we
show.
do that just to get everything moving, and uh, that way everything will be in place.
Yeah, that's fine. Then I'll fix that up then when I add in my stuff. That's about it from me, guys.
All right. So Christian, let's go to you then.
Well, I don't have any progress from last meeting. I'm still planning to work on these sponsors filters on the layers part, and last thing to do is to refactor the scope in the sponsor model. So I will put it for now for this pull request. I will put it in the concerns, and if we want to create, I don't know, a presenter or something, we'll do that in a different pull request.
Okay.
Okay, and we'll try to change these squares so I don't have all these sponsor with the sponsor. We'll see how it goes.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and also I will return instead of sponsor all, I will return on sponsor. So then I can chain after that maybe sort or I don't know.
Right. Right. So you still return a, what is it, active record association?
Yeah,
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
because if I return all, it returns the array.
Yeah.
And then if you do the sort, it will do the sort on the array and not in the database. So it will be slower.
Okay. Yeah, that sounds good. All right. I see that we have Aaron with us. Aaron, do you want to introduce yourself?
Hi,
Yeah,
I've been in the OSRA before, like one time before.
Oh yeah.
So
When was this?
probably like a month ago or
Okay.
something like that. Yeah, that's pretty much it for me. I'm trying to get more experience on backend for Rails, so thinking maybe I might join this project. So
Mm-hmm. Sounds good. You'll be definitely welcome. Um, does that
so
does that sound like you have front end experience then?
yeah, I do have front end experience.
Yeah, cool. Could use a front end expert too, I think. In the probably in the near future. That's why. Yeah, it's a win-win for everybody if you join.
Cool.
All right,
yeah,
guys. Yeah,
at the
sorry.
moment, we are switching from ActiveAdmin to Rails. So as I talked to you earlier, much of the features from the ActiveAdmin, this is the ActiveAdmin what we have now, and most of these stuffs will be shipped to Rails. If you go to this edge, this is nothing. Okay, this is the same thing but in Rails. So what I said to you is that because we're shifting from ActiveAdmin to Rails, many of the things are already done. So just I know same functionality move to Rails. So it's good to learn the backend this way because you see how it's done in ActiveAdmin and you can reproduce it in Rails and you can learn how it's done. And what left at the moment it's the admin users model, which we have the edit and update and slash add the delete unless the delete was done in the index. So if you want to take something like from here, this is the admin users here, and you can see we have edit. So this needs to be done in Rails, the same thing. So you can add, or, yeah, that.
So that's the migration to Rails, and then there will be new features that will start that will be built on top of that.
Do you guys do like some pair programming? Because I just to get like a feel for the project or whatnot.
But unfortunately, we don't do very much pair programming because of we don't have really enough time to just we don't really synchronize. But I don't know if any of you guys or maybe me has some time and you want to pair, then no problem, sure.
Yeah, the sort of the standing policy is that whenever you sit down to do some coding, if you think that you will be at it for any significant length of time, you just post it on Slack. And then if anybody's interested in joining, then you can pair it that way, but we don't have anything on a sort of consistent basis.
Yeah. When I joined OSRA, I paired a lot with Andre back then, and it was really helpful, and I learned a lot. Like, just we both were beginners and just figuring out how OSRA works. So yeah,
If the team gets bigger, then of course it becomes easier to find somebody to pair with.
yeah, definitely.
Yeah, well, for example, I'll be probably doing a bit of coding tomorrow afternoon. That's about from about 2 o'clock That's GMT time or whatever we are, British summertime. Aaron, whereabouts are you?
I'm UTC -6.
Right, okay. Yeah. So 2 o'clock is probably 8 o'clock or something like that tomorrow for you, 8 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, it's what about 8 hours time difference? Or
Okay.
Yeah, well, as you see, these are the problems when you want to pair.
yeah, we have technically we still have a couple of team members that are based in North America, but they're not very active at the moment. So.
Yeah, Vivi is from US.
Right.
And also Brian.
All right, guys. Is there anything else to discuss in the Scrum?
Can I just ask a quick question? For some of the stuff that I was doing on the new admin user, I was doing a kind of like an integration test, like a feature test, and I noticed, Christian, that you built some within features in the spec folder, yeah, and so I built it on top of that. Is that the way we're now going to doing stuff in our spec rather than in Cucumber, say? Does not really matter.
Well, since the client is not involved in the project and is not looking over the features, then I think it's better if we stick to the integration test in our spec.
Yeah, that's what I've done. Just build something in our spec, and it seems to work okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
and it's also faster.
It's also faster, right? Okay, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And not sure if you saw this, but in the support there's features helpers.
Yes, I used one or two of those as well. Yeah.
Yeah. So all methods that are shared between features should be here.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. Thanks.
Okay, cool.
All right, guys. I'm gonna stop the broadcast and